Hi everyone. We're going to work through an example that requires us to use law of sines or law of cosines and or law of cosines to solve an application. Okay, so in the first one, we have two ships, A and B, that are 60 miles apart. Ship A is directly north of ship B. Okay, so we know this is 60 miles and that A is due north of B. They both receive a distress signal from a third ship at the same time. Ship A receives the signal from a direction 35 degrees south of east. Okay, so if we point due east from A and turn 35 degrees south, that's the direction that the signal was coming from. Ship B receives the signal from a direction 50 degrees north of east. So if we go due east from B and then we turn up 50 degrees, that's the direction that ship B got the signal from. And we are supposed to try and figure out how far the third ship is from ship A. Okay, so basically if it's coming from one location, that location better be right here. So here's our triangle. And we're looking for how far the third ship is from A. So we're looking for this distance right here. That's our goal. Okay, so if we look at our info, right now we don't have a ton, but we can get quite a bit. The problem is that these angles are not interior angles, but we can say, well, if this is due north and this is due east, then that's a 90-degree angle. So if we have 50 down here, it would be 40 up here, which makes me think I didn't draw this quite steep enough. And then over here, same thing, due south and due east, that's a 90-degree angle. So 35 degrees there would leave me with 55 degrees here. And if I want to, I can even go find the third angle at this point because we know they have to add up to 180. So I currently have 95, which I think means I need 85 degrees there. Okay, so we have whatever angles we want, and actually it looks like that was a good one because now I can see that I get this nice known pair, 85 degrees, 60 miles. So I could use a law of sines on this, and basically what I do is see if I can use a law of sines and do it. If so, if not, then I try my law of cosines, just because law of sines is pretty nice and easy to solve. So let's say we have sine 85 degrees over 60 miles. That should equal sine of 40 degrees over d miles, which would mean that d is equal to 60 sine 40 degrees divided by sine of 85 degrees. And then I can ask my calculator for that. So if we do a 60 sine 40 degrees divided by a sine of 85 degrees, I get about 38.71. And that is supposed to be this distance d. So that's the answer to my question. It's about almost 39 miles away from ship A. All right, thanks for watching.